I'm Sonia. In today's video, I am actually going to get ready to go on a trip, and I decided to pop on the camera and show you guys the process. Now, before I leave or before I pack, I like to put on my hair and makeup. That way I know exactly what I'm going to need to pack. And today I've partnered with Sally Beauty to show you all of my beauty finds at super affordable prices that I know you guys will appreciate. First up is primer. Primer is super important if you want your makeup to last all day long. Also, I concentrate this on my cheeks, my chin, around my nose, and on my forehead, and anywhere else that you have fine lines, really enlarged pores and wrinkles. It helps to reduce the appearance of all of those while keeping your makeup locked in. Next, I'm going to apply my foundation. This one in particular is a buildable foundation, and it also has a matte finish. So I love that I can wear this thin for a natural look during the day and build it up to a more full coverage foundation at night. Also, the color complements my skin tone, and it was really easy to find my match. Next up, I'm going to apply some liquid concealer to the inner corners of my eyes. Now, as you guys can see, the foundation did a really good job of color correcting, but I'm just using the concealer to brighten up my face. And then I'm just going to easily blend this in with a concealer brush. Now I'm going to set it all using a pressed powder, and I get one that is one shade lighter than my skin tone and really concentrate underneath my eyes for a light baking process. Nothing too heavy or crazy because we don't want to emphasize any of our fine lines or wrinkles. Moving on to this Mosaic powder, it's a 2-in-1 blush and bronzer. I'm going to lightly dust this onto my cheeks for a really soft and healthy glow. Then I'm going to give myself a tan to hopefully match the one that I'm going to get on my vacation. This bronzer can be used all over your face and body, but I'm going to concentrate on the hollows of my cheeks, go around the frame of my face and my nose. Then I'm going to move on to my eyes. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette that is the perfect size for any cosmetic bag, and just sweep over a shimmery eyeshadow over my lids. Then to darken it up for a night out, I'm going to use this waterproof eye pencil to smoke out the edges of my eyes. So all you do is draw along the eye line and use your brush to smudge that out. Then to finish off my eyes, I'm going to be adding a coat of mascara to the top and bottom lashes. Now, to avoid any clumps or lumps in your mascara, I like to roll the applicator. This helps to brush out any of the clumps and evenly distributes all of the product to each lash hair. And to finish off my look, I'm going to apply this lip gloss that has a faint shimmer that makes your lips look fuller, and it smells like cake. And this is the final look for my makeup.